Going another expansion catch, Hornady Black 223, 75 grain, shooting into a HOG SHIELD with the water jugs behind it, just seeing what happens with the bullet afterwards. And again, this is 40-50 yards, something like that, and just shooting into a mid-size to smaller hog, not a small hog, not a medium size, but in between, about 150, 175 pound pig. And here we go, Hornady Black 75 grain. Let me pull out my smoky oak glove. Smoky oak gloves. Good enough gloves for just about any job. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yep, looks like the same hole that we got. We got fragments inside of it. And there you go. Alright, we got it. Stopped within 2 jugs. Have hog parts. Pretty much, it's almost matching. If you can see that, it's almost matching the entry hole right there into it. So that little 223, this was left. There you go. Opened up, spread up again. Only went through 2 jugs, stopped. I like the expansion. We got lots of particles. It'll definitely kill. The thing again is with going on the shoulder shot, if you don't place it just right, the hog's definitely gonna run on you a little bit, and at night that can be an issue if there's no blood trail. But it will definitely go in and kill the pig, that's for sure. So you can sit there, shoot, hit the hog, know you hit the hog, go out, look around, don't see any blood, and think, damn, I missed. And no, you didn't miss. You probably hit it, and it just, with no exit wound, there's no blood trail on it. But with it expanding, you should be able, I mean, it shouldn't go too far. So I mean, yeah, it'll be a little bit of a challenge to find, but again, like I said, these were definitely on the smaller hogs, you know, under 200 pounds, 150 pounders, things like that. Yeah, you could take a safe shoulder shot with these if you weren't going for the head. But if you just always want to play it safe, pop them in the head. There you go.